Hello guys, welcome again. It's your boy John Nini, and today we're doing the Jax Toy. So this one is for you, Esmeralda. So it's going to be 4 sections, and each section is 1 times 8.
Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
We do easy dance tutorial of popular dance moves and viral dances.
And we post a video every week. Now back to the tutorial.
So let's go straight into it. Section 1, this is your preview. It goes like bam boom bam boom bam boom bam boom ka ka and ta da da da. Okay, so let's break it down. So this is the party machine step. It can be a little bit difficult, but I'm gonna break it down for you. You wanna start with a prep. This is my right leg, and I'm gonna kick towards the right, but at the same time, I'm jumping with my left towards the left. Back. So it's like kick. And from here, you're gonna switch. And we're gonna repeat this movement. This time I kick with my left towards the left, and I'm gonna jump with my right towards the right, like this. And then I repeat, switch, kick, switch, kick, switch, kick, switch, kick, and kick, and kick, and kick, and kick, kick. Okay, I hope that's okay. At the same time, hands going with the same leg, or boom, or boom, or boom, or boom. And you do that for 1 times 8. So, for the hands, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you bring it down, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, one more time again, just the hands. 6, 7, 8. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go 7 and 8 here. All right, let's try with the legs at the same time. Slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's kind of difficult to do it slow, right? But basically, without the jump, it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try together one more time. I will try my best to do it slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yes? Okay, let's move on. Section 2. This is your preview. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1. Let's break it down. So we're gonna do the running man. So basically, you just lift. This is my left. Lift your left, and once you put it down, you're gonna slide back with the right. So boom, like that. Then you switch. On my way up, I'm gonna jump back with my left towards the back, and then I repeat the movement. This is my right. I put my right down. Same time, slide with the left. I'm gonna bring my left up, jump back with my right. Boom, sha, boom, sha, boom, sha. Boom, sha, sha, sha. So the hands are just going up and down, up and down, up and down. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Just a 4 count. Again, 6, 7, and slow. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Even slower, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Yes. From here, you want to bring your left cross over. Yes. So this is going to be 5. I'm going up with my right. Come back. Switch. Cross. Yes. So it goes boom, 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 boom. Let's break it down even more. So I go up with my left, cross towards the right, boom. Then I just come back here. Now you switch, cross. From here, you bring down your left, boom, going down to jump out and back. So it's gonna be and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1. One more time. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1. And you land on 1. So let's try to put it together. Section 2. 6, 7 and slow, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1. Okay, slower. Section 2. 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1. Oh my God. I hope you get it. Let's move on to section 3, preview. So you'll end up on 1, then you're gonna go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basically, it's the same as the first section, but this time you start on 2, kicking to the left, okay? So it's gonna be 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So you just landed, then you prep, and you land on 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yeah? So this is like the first section, so I'm not gonna waste time on it. Let's move on to the last section, number 4. This is your preview. So you were here on 8, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1. So let's break down section 4. Okay, so we're gonna go back like to the first section again, but this time put your hands, boom, behind your back like that. So this is on 8, you're gonna go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. So you bring back your hands here on 5, and 6, and then you just come back, 7, 8, and then you finish by here, slide out on 1. So hands guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1. Okay, let's try again. Break it down. 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1. All right, Let's put everything together slowly from the start. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1. Let's challenge us and try a little bit faster from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1.
Thanks for watching our video till the end.
I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment.
And please like and subscribe.
Bye.